Hello friends, thank you so much for watching my video. And as you see today, formula is floor. Why this formula required? This formula required if you want to round down a value to the nearest multiple number specified by user. As you see 124, and if you want to round down the same number which is multiple of 50, so you will get result of 100 using this formula. 156, I want to round down the same multiple of 50, so result is 150. 178, I want to round down the same to multiple of 100, so result is 100. 176, I'm so sorry, so result is 150. 21, and I want to round down the same multiple of 20, so result is 20. 31, I want to round down multiple of 10, so result is 30. 467, I want to round down a multiple of 30, so result is 450. 25, I want to round down the same multiple of 20, so result is 20. 1 2 3 4, I want to round down the same multiple of 100, so result is 1200. Same with 194, 192 and 678. This is very basic but very unique formula, guys, and trust me, nobody is going to show you, or nobody going to train you this kind of unique or very specific formula. I would say this is a very useful formula, and trust me, if you want to improve your Excel skill, you must have knowledge of all these kind of formula. Then only you'll be able to improve yourself while using the macro or coding or something like that, if you're ready to create your own template. So you must have these kind of formula in your bucket. Now move into use of formula. I already explained this. This formula helps to round a value down to the nearest multiple specified by the user. I'm just repeating it. This formula helps to round the value down to the nearest multiple specified by the user, and all the details already available in the description box. So now move into formula meaning. Same, rounds a value down to the nearest multiple specified by the user. 10, 20, 50, 60, 100, 120, 150. So you can use this formula and you will get your result as per your requirement. Is any formatting required? No formatting required, guys. This formula works in every single Excel version, and I would really appreciate if you go ahead and try to use this formula in your Excel version. Then only you'll be able to increase your Excel skills. Again, I'm just highlighting all this detail again, and thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, for liking my video, and for sharing it. Have a great day, have a great Excel future, and again, thank you and goodbye.